Hi there, I'm Tim Hughes from LandHawk, and I'm going to show you how you can quickly produce an environmental report from the LandHawk platform. You may have just watched how you create an environmental map within LandHawk. Well, now I can show you how you create these reports nice and quickly, just at a few clicks of a button. So if I click on the land parcel here, you'll see that it gives me an information panel, which gives me lots of information about the site. In here, you get the overview, you get some nearby distance calculations, you get some planning history information, and some value information. But for this process, I'm simply going to save this site into my workspace, and I'm going to call it Environmental Report. I'm going to save it into my workspace, as you can see, created a site card. And in here, you've got your report within your first list in the Kanban board. If you click into this report, you then get to see all the information. So you see the red line boundary, all the information I showed you in the information panel is all within here. If I click on this export PDF report button, I can then choose what I want to see. So for the purpose of creating an environmental report, I'm simply going to untick some of these items that I'm not interested in. I'm going to keep in site constraints because that's the bit I'm interested in for this particular report. And I'm going to untick some of these. I am going to tick renewables planning applications within 3 kilometers and also keep points of interest as well. So I'm going to create that report. As you see, LandHawk create a nice brochure called the Environmental Report, as we've named it. Gives you a nice date, gives you an author, a nice red line boundary, some other high-level information, and then it dives into what constraints lie within this particular land parcel and also what percentage of impacts they have. So as you can see, this particular one has 31% of a flood zone 2, 8% of a flood zone 3. There's a footpath running through it as well. So all this information is reported. You also get some road noise and rail noise as well. If I scroll a bit further down, you'll see that you'll then get the renewable energy planning database information. So anything that's within 3 kilometers, it will list it here. So you have that contextual information. And then you get your points of interest distances. So how close various things are. So if you're not intersecting a listed building, for example, you may still want to know where the nearest one is. And that will show in the historic section here. So you can see that there's one 0.04 kilometers away from this particular site. You can download these reports as well as PDF, so you can email them off to stakeholders nice and quickly. Again, you can do this all through the platform, and you can do as many as you like. Hope you enjoyed that video, and see you again next time.